सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव अपडेट्स। Dixon Tech declines 4%, Swiggy down 7% post earning Bajaj report today. Q3 result live updates. Dalal Street is bracing up for yet another heavy earnings day. Watch for earnings from Bajaj Auto, Bank of Baroda, MOIL, NALCO, Meesho and host of other companies. Not just this ITC, Swiggy, Manappuram, REC, Dixon Tech and many others who reported results after market hour will rake in today's trading session. Watch this page for all the live updates. Q3 is a live update. It is yet another earning heavy day on Dalal Street. Going into the Union Budget on Sunday as numbers comes in the Bajaj Auto, Bank of Baroda, Nestle India, Dr. Lal, Pot Labs, Ambuja Cement, Pawar Grid Soil, Meesho, LIC Housing Finance Key, International and more. Glenmark Pharma, Mandalam Investment and Finance Co. DUMS, Industry, Exide Industries, Astar DM Healthcare, Blue Dart Express, Ashok Buildon Con, Ajanta Pharma, Aegis Logistics, MOIL, Jindal Steel, Wishbone Crop, Tata Investment Crop, Triveni Engineering, Stride Pharma, Reliance Power, BSP Project, Tariffs Metals, NTPC, PNG Hygiene and Healthcare, New India, Assurance Company, NIT, Mattersons, Sumi Wearing India, Kajiria, Salmix, Intellect, Design, Arena are among the other companies reporting their earnings today. Market will also be reacting to post-market hour results that came in from ITC, Dabur India, Dixon Tech, Vedant, Swiggy, Paytm, Colgate, Palmolive, Dipex, Fertilizer, Blue Star, Manappuram Finance, REC, Tata Motors, CB, Nippon Life, AMC, Huduko, Voltas, NTPC, Green Energy, among others. Watch this page for live updates and Q3 result management, commentary, analyze views and the stock performance. Q3 result update. Swiggy share declined nearly 7%. The stock is currently down 6.7. Net loss at 1065 crore vs loss of 800 crore. Revenue 54% at 6148 crore vs 3993 crore. EBI TDA loss at 782 crore vs EBI TDA loss of 725 crore YoY. Or Q3 result live updates. Dixon Tech shares decline 4% post earning. The stock is down 4.2% at the moment. The net profit is 68% at 287.2 crore vs 171.2 crore YoY. Revenue up 12.1% at 10,671 crore vs 10,454 crore YoY. EBI TDA 6% at 6,414 crore vs 319 crore. Or margin 3.9% on vs 3.7 YoY. Or others income at 131 crore vs 6.5 crore YoY. Q3 result live updates के Zephyrus has hold rating on ITC. Zephyrus on ITC hold target price is 400. All eyes on pricing action. Cigarette volume growth continue to see strong momentum with C7 and growth better than many FMC peer. And EBIT margin were down due to high cost of tobacco. FMCG performs well with strong growth and EBIT. Overall, EBITDA growth was strong at 8%. Sharp tax hike and effective to have and makes ITC pricing response a key watch which the president and required a hike to offset impact. A Stryger's price hike is not ruled out. Q3 result updates. Zephyrus has a hold rating on Manappuram Finance and Zephyrus on the Manappuram Finance hold target price as 285. FMGFLSDE Q Paton RS 2.4 billion minus 14% YOY was below rest 3.3 billion east of Pawar NIM higher. AUM grew 18% YOY in line, but NIMs fell sharply against the MGFL continue to drop eyelid to align it with the pair. Probably disappointed due to the elective stare in the non-gold loans took new CEO implementation several initiatives to straighten and furnished, but profit should stay under pressure the near terms despite the gold price tailwind on lower. NIM elective credit cost. Q3 result live update. Zephyrus capped target price on Swiggy. Zephyrus on Swiggy, but target price cut to res 440 and food delivery was strong, but the rise is Q1 losses disappointed and QC subsidized failed to deliver and the MGMT has accepted OPD is the Fenty and the metric and not world changing and the PPO comes even as the competition station intense implying a risk to market share. Still like that, MGMT has shown the pragmatism despite that cash pile post QIP are the unsure about the Q3 result live updates. Morgan Stanley cut Swiggy target price. Morgan Stanley on Swiggy. Equal weight target price cut to just 375. Key highlight. Steady execution is food delivery on growth and margin. To marking thought choice on trading and of course while maintaining guidance on CM break even, limited visibility on when competitive environment would see keeper in re-rating under SEC. Q3 result live updates. Cluster downgrade Swiggy rating cuts target price. Cluster Swiggy downgrade to hold target price cut to rest 335. Miss Q3 revenue and EBITDA expectation. While food delivery saw better gov revenue growth in line, EBITDA quick commerce was a disappointed exhaust metrics with lower growth and weaker profitability while co-maintenance contribution breaking guidance spot is steeper than before.